Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to highlight text, how to make it looks good, how to really make your blog or article looks really insane, and that will make your visitors stay more in your article, attracts more traffic, and you will get more money by the end. So now what you'll have to do first is open the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp admin. So this page will be open something like that. Here you put your username and here you put your password, and this page will be open for you. So now what we have to do is go to a post. For example, let's add a new post. So add new, and let's grab something from somewhere, for example BuzzFeed, and let's get this. Okay, let's copy this, or let's find something here, and let's copy this. I think yes, I'm happy, and let's copy this. So here we can sorry, where was it? Okay, here we can add this. Now how we can highlight it, how we can make it look better. Basically, for example, if you want to highlight this FA cup, you can make it, for example, bold. You can make a tag to it. You can make a toolbar which will make you color it. You can even, like, as you can see, this is a highlight for for example, for the reader. He will see it really a bit different than other words. It will be noticeable for him to read it. You can add a lot of stuff, horizontal line. You can do something like that, a line in it. You can make a lot of stuff to make your text really highlighted, and it will be attracted to the eye of the readers. So yeah guys, for example, you can add the same thing for other words. Word cup, for example, you can make it the same, something like that. You can make it bigger. You can make a lot of stuff doing this using this form. So yeah guys, that's how we can actually highlight the text in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.